When it comes down to like why windows fail, a huge reason why it has you with install, okay? So like, were they flashed properly? Were they caulked properly? Were they foam? Were they taped? Like, is water getting in? Because water is the enemy for anything on your home. And if a window is poorly installed, it will leak, and that water over time will cause problems within the window. And it'll definitely cause some seal failures. The most common thing though that causes seal failures is actually like the quality of the material and then kind of Mother Nature. And so the reality is vinyl windows are far more susceptible, especially in big windstorms, to the pressure it puts on the window, causing the window frame and the window sills to fail over time. You don't really have that problem with fiberglass technology. So if you're worried about kind of long-term performance of windows, what you normally see is on a wood window, water gets in, it causes the sill to fail. On a vinyl window, it's wind over time just causes the vinyl to break down. It's not strong in material, and over time, that seal will fail. And so we recommend fiberglass is kind of our go-to to most homeowners, because for longevity and durability, it just makes way more sense. It's gonna last much longer. It's a much better 20, 30, 40-year solution.